Okay, all right, everybody. Why am I sitting by here looking at this tyre? Right, okay, so why am I actually by here looking at these tyres? Now, this tyre is called Arison. That's the name brand of this tyre. And the reason why I'm by here looking at this tyre is because out of all the e-bikes I've tried, out of every single one of them that I've tried myself, this tyre, I believe, is the best tyre I've had on one of my e-bikes. Now, it's a very tough, robust tyre. It's very quiet and it's quite grippy. It does look substantial. The tread is very thick compared to the normal e-bike tyres, which have little tiny knobbles on. Now, this tyre is fantastic, but there's one drawback. They're hard to get hold of and they're quite expensive. Now, you can put a normal tyre on this wheel. You don't have to put another one of these on. I think this tyre will last many, many thousands of miles because it does look like a strong tyre. But let's have a quick look at the price of these tyres and how easy it is to get hold of one of these tyres. Now, before I go and look at the price of these tyres, let's just do a few more checks to make sure I'm looking at the right thing. It is branded Arison there, look. Arison is this type of tread, look. Very thick, very durable tread. And it does say by here, moped. And it says 100 by 90. And then I think it's got 406. Is that MG on there? And then 42B. I don't think there's anything else on here other than it does say 20 by 4 by there as well. So let's go and have a look at the price and availability of this exact tyre. Right, okay, I found some prices here in front of me. Now, they're not going to be like on the cheap side compared to normal bicycle tyres. They're going to be very expensive, more than I've ever paid for bike tyres. Now, let's go through it. Let's have a look at the actual prices. And if you do know any other places to get these tyres cheaper, put it down in the comment section. So if you do know, put it in the comment section. So first of all, we'll actually look on, I did go and look at Cyrush's website, and the only tyre they sell, which I got here in front of me, is the normal sort of knobbly tyre, and they're charging £75 for that tyre, but you can get them much cheaper than that if you look around. But the quality might be different, I don't know. But that's the price they're charging for that sort of normal sort of knobbly tyre that you usually get on e-bikes. So let's go back to this one here. Now this is on eBay. $80, which is approximately £58.90, which is still expensive. But then if you look a little bit further down by here, down by there, it says postage is $118 or £86, which is extortionate. So if you want to get two tyres, that's going to be expensive. So what else did I look at? I did find it a little bit cheaper here, Fat Tyre House, but this seems like it's American again, and it's $65. I don't know what the, let me just try it by here. We'll have it with no tube. We'll purchase it, see what it says. Shipping and tax, you've got to put your details in. I expect it's going to be expensive like the last one, or they might not even post it to you because there's in America by the looks of it. So my last place I could find, which is where I do a lot of my shopping for e-bike stuff, was on AliExpress. And if you look by here, there's loads of choices of tyres. There's the knobbly sort of tyre there, £28.79, quite reasonable. But shipping is still £32.88, so it's still quite expensive if you can't get tyres in this country. So if we go across to that tyre there, this looks like the exact tyre because it's got the 100 times 90 406. The white marking does look slightly different, but that looks very, very similar to the tyre that was on the Cyrush bike, and that is £49.99 for the tyre. plus £32.88. If you wanted a tyre and inner tube, it'd be £60.59 and £32.88 delivery. So let's say you haven't had a puncture, but both your tyres are worn down and you wanted to get 2. So we'll put that in there. We'll put that as 2. We'll click buy it now. I don't know what this rubbish is on the screen by here. Get that out of the way. We'll click buy it now. Oh, I haven't signed in. Hold on to your horses. Right, okay. For 2 tyres delivered to the UK was £152.87 for 2 tyres. So do you think that's expensive? Put that down in the comment section if you think that's expensive for two tyres. They are very good quality tyres. They look like they would be able to go over rough terrain. They do look like they'd be hard to puncture as well. So they are very good tyres, but hard to get hold of. So maybe you'd look for an alternative. If there's any good alternatives, put it down in the comment section. Would you be willing to pay that kind of price though? Anyway, what do you think? Right, okay, there we go then. It was only a short video just to see the price and availability of these tyres, because I was interested, because I think I want to keep this bike. I do like this bike and I want to keep it. So I just wanted to see what the price of the tyres were and how easily they are to get hold of. So anyway, if you did like this short video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ahoy!